નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here.
Dear students, let's go ahead with the email writing. This is the era where letter writing is outdated. Yet we have completed social letter and official letter that we have already completed. Somewhere else official letter is possible, but that is also possible through the email only. So that at present we have to learn email, that is the prime requirement for all of us. One thing I'll tell you, that writing email in a practical way and writing email on page differs somewhere else. Why is it so? Because this is not a practical work. This is a theory work, and that's a practical work. And practical and theory both will be parallel, but somewhere else, little bit difference will be there from here to there. And why is it so? This is for your understanding. This is not for the understanding of the receiver also, but here each and everything is for you. So that when you are writing practical email, at the time all these things will not be there in your mind, and you will not bother even for all these things together. First of all, I have made this line for your reference. Why it is for your reference? This is a page of your examination. In your examination, this is a page of your answer sheet. And you are writing email writing in this way. So that in the upper margin you will write email writing. That's all finished. Very near from the side margin you will start. What you will start? From. Next to that to. Next to that CC. From. Suppose that I am writing this. So that I will write here Pranavdave. This is wrong. This will not work out. No one knows me with Pranavdave so far as email is concerned. I have to be here with my identity, and my identity is equal to my own email address. We were used to start our letter writing with the self address always. Here also I am in need of self-address. If I am not having my own self-address, email writing will not be possible. And for that self-address, I have to take care of something. What is that something that I tell you? It should be unique one. Suppose that I want to write my name only in my email address. Then I should add something there in such a way. I have to prepare it something in such a way that others will not be equivalent with me. ક્યારેક સર્ચ કરજો તમારું જ ખુદનું નામ ફેસબુક ઉપર. You will surprise a lot. I was not knowing this. एक वक्त में लगे प्रणवदवे फ्रॉम सौराष्ट्र. I was hardly able to find out my own identity. This is fact, yeah, this is fact. So that you will prepare your own email address. It should not be equivalent with others. Otherwise, system only will reject. All the letters should be in small letters. First one should be capital and next to that one should be small. All should be in small letters. With some special characters. @ underscore, like that. For an example, I will tell you. This is my real one. FIMLO underscore 00. If you will try to find it out, this word you will not get anywhere else. FIMLO underscore 00 next to that. At the rate yahoo.co.in. You see here, first name itself you won't get anywhere else. FIMLO underscore 00 at the rate yahoo.co.in. This is my personal self address based on email writing. So that we have started with self address. Now to whom you want to write? This is one kind of business letter, official letter, and so that here what will you do? Nothing else. You will write to whom you want to write. To whom you want to write. Here you want to write to Meera. If you will write Meera, thousands of Meera would be there. You have to give a particular address with all these features. So that what you will write, Meera P D underscore 1013 at the rate gmail.com. You see here special characters I have used here, special character I have used here, numbers I have used here, numbers I have used here. All are with small letters, all are with small letters. In this way, you will prepare your own email with your own convenient time. In such a way, it should not be inboard, it should not be connected with anyone. Thus, Siddhi baat. Got the idea? Next to that, writer is FIMLO, receiver is Meera. That is clarified. Suppose that next to that one is CC given there. This is most important. So far as business firm is concerned, this is most important, CC. What is the meaning of CC? That I'll tell you. CC is equal to correspondence copy. What you want to write here, the same content, if you want to send to someone else, this is CC. So that each and every time you will not waste your time for sending this letter to 1, to 2, to 3, to 10. No. Add 10 email address and commercial correspondence copy you will send to all 10 without a single change. This is the starting. If you will not write this, if it is social email, no need to write this. If it is official, if you will write, this will do. If you will not write, this will do. Got the idea? Next to that will come, that is subject. And that subject is always given there in the instruction. Write an email to your friend about the importance of water. So that you will write here, what? Importance of water in general human life. This is what? This is the subject, what you are going to write here in this email. So that subject is already given. Now based on this, once again you will move ahead. Suppose that you are here writing official letter. Then you will not write here dear. Then you will write here respected. Manager sir, this or that, leave it. MD of the company XYZ, leave it. If you write this, to your friend, then respected friend will not come. Dear friend will come. Here also social and official, both the difference you maintain through this two address. You will maintain it to an address also, whether you are sending CC or not. This thing you will keep it in your mind. Next to that, after dear or respected, nothing is there. To whom you are writing, that is given over here. This is also given. Write an email to your friend so that everything is given in instruction. Now, theme. Theme is also given there in the instruction. Write an email to your younger sister to explain the importance of 10th board or 12th board in the life of a student. Write an email to explain sports activity of your school. Then what will you do? You will write here theme. This theme is already given there in the instruction. Based on this given theme, you will prepare it. What the idea? This should be short and sweet. This should be short and sweet. Next to that, yours faithfully. If you will write, if you will not write, that will do. But I will tell you to write this. This is a decorum. This is a tradition to end with this phrase, yours faithfully. You will write it. Next to that, reverse condition, quite opposite start from the starting. What is opposite to starting? Opposite. We will start here from. Next to that to. Next to that CC. You will write it. If CC is not required, you will remove it from here. No need for CC. But to whom you write, this will be here. And from whom this letter is, that you will write here. It means what? It means what? What you have written here, opposite to that, first one will be second one will be first one. Opposite to that you will write here. And in this way, we have completed this email. If you will add here thanks, that will do. If you will add here thanks, that will do. If you will not add here thanks, simply you will write with yours faithfully. If you will not write anything, thanks and yours faithfully, that also will do. But I will tell you, it's preferable to write both. Got the idea? In this way, we have completed email writing. This is most important topic for 8th standard, for 9th standard, for 10th standard. In board examination, this is having a special question. This composition word, this writing word is having a special question. So that if you will prepare the form of email writing, this will help you a lot for your best presentation. I'll give you time to write down the form of email writing so that this will help you to score good marks in the language English. Got the idea? Please write down the form of the same. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.